Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Guys, ilagyan na nga. For the first time sa aking 28 years old. First time ko, nagpakain sa bahay. Ang next year ulit. Sigurado ko bago umabot ng 30. So, sulag. Ayan na guys. Pablo ko na ba?
First time.
Wish daw.
Wish daw.
Wish daw.
Wish. Lagyan na yun. Diyan mo magaling. Yay!